friends to get my things back from your place while you're away. I'll get the chance to say the things I should have said but couldn't say. Kinda dear forever friends, sincerely yours, never again. Dear Anna, have a drink on me. Dear Anna, hand your hand away. Dear Hannah, how did it feel to trade my trust for a touch and your soul for a quick buck? I'll imagine that we never met. You'll do the same from the looks of it. Imagine that you never lied. Oh yeah, that's right, that's what you did the first time. Hannah, dear forever